Course 3, Industrial Processing, Resource Efficiency and Waste Management in Food Systems, Raw Materials and Waste Management. This module introduces the principles of raw material control within industrial food supply chains, focusing on how sourcing decisions, raw material quality, and supply chain dynamics affect processing efficiency, food safety, waste generation, and sustainability performance. It examines industrial supply chain structures, upstream-downstream dependencies, and sourcing models, with particular attention to traceability, regulatory compliance, and supply risk management in the European context. The content addresses practical approaches for evaluating raw material usability and value, including physical, chemical, functional, and economic criteria, and explores strategic sourcing and inventory control methods to improve resource efficiency and resilience. Material flow analysis is presented as a key tool for mapping inputs and outputs, identifying loss points, and quantifying food loss and waste in processing operations. Best practices in raw material handling, hygienic design, process standardization, and operator training are discussed alongside strategies to reduce avoidable waste and manage unavoidable byproducts. The module also introduces waste valorization pathways and circular economy principles, including energy and water-efficient technologies and cross-sector reuse options. Digital solutions for waste monitoring and inventory optimization are highlighted as enablers of data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. After completion, learners will be able to monitor the effectiveness of risk mitigation strategies in sourcing and adjust procurement approaches as needed. Waste management does not stop at the factory gate. Procurement and sourcing decisions strongly influence waste levels during processing. Poor quality or inconsistent raw materials increase losses, making it essential to monitor the effectiveness of sourcing risk mitigation strategies and adjust procurement approaches as conditions change. Monitoring supplier performance is a critical part of waste prevention. Variability, defects, or non-compliance at the supplier level often translate into processing losses. By tracking performance indicators and reviewing data regularly, procurement teams can detect problems early and take corrective action before waste escalates. Supplier performance has a direct impact on waste generation during processing. Variability in quality, defects, or unreliable deliveries often translate into production losses. By tracking key performance indicators over time, companies can identify emerging risks early. This data-driven monitoring supports informed procurement decisions and helps strengthen the resilience of the supply chain. Quality variability is a critical warning signal in raw material sourcing. When incoming materials show increasing variation, processing becomes less efficient and waste levels rise. Monitoring these trends allows companies to identify problematic suppliers early and take corrective action, such as adjusting specifications or sourcing alternatives before losses escalate. Monitoring defect and rejection rates provides insight into sourcing effectiveness. High rejection rates increase waste and handling costs and indicate misalignment with specifications. By tracking not only how much is rejected, but also why, companies can address root causes through supplier feedback, process changes, or, when necessary, supplier replacement. Delivery reliability is another important dimension of sourcing risk. Late deliveries can halt production or cause spoilage, while early deliveries may lead to overstocking and waste. By monitoring delivery performance, procurement teams can identify unreliable suppliers and adjust sourcing or inventory strategies to maintain efficient material flow. Traceability systems are not only compliance tools, but also valuable feedback mechanisms. By linking quality issues or waste events to specific suppliers and batches, processors can provide targeted feedback. This helps suppliers improve practices and reduces the likelihood of recurring problems, strengthening long-term sourcing relationships. Supplier audits are effective only if their outcomes are monitored over time. Repeated non-conformities suggest that risks are not being adequately addressed. Tracking audit results helps procurement teams evaluate whether audits are improving performance or whether stronger corrective actions or sourcing changes are required. Linking procurement performance indicators to waste outcomes increases accountability. When waste data is associated with specific suppliers or raw material categories, procurement teams gain clearer insight into sourcing impacts. These KPIs support continuous improvement and encourage sourcing decisions that reduce processing losses. Raw material specifications play a key role in waste generation. Specifications that are too strict may increase rejection rates, while overly loose specifications can lead to processing inefficiencies. Regularly reviewing and adjusting specifications ensures they remain aligned with actual process requirements and waste reduction objectives. Environmental factors such as droughts, floods, or heat waves increasingly affect raw material supply. Monitoring these risks allows procurement teams to anticipate disruptions and adjust sourcing plans in advance, reducing the likelihood of sudden shortages or quality failures that lead to waste. Market volatility, including price fluctuations and trade changes, affects procurement strategies. By monitoring market trends, companies can anticipate disruptions and avoid reactive sourcing decisions that increase risk and waste. Proactive planning supports more stable material availability. Procurement dashboards integrate data on quality, delivery performance, and waste into a single view. This improved visibility supports faster and better informed decision-making, enables trend analysis, and strengthens overall control of sourcing risks that influence processing efficiency. Monitoring alone is not sufficient, it must lead to corrective action. This may involve supplier feedback, technical support, or changes in production practices. Collaborative corrective actions help reduce variability and prevent repeat losses, improving long-term sourcing performance. When monitoring reveals persistent underperformance, procurement teams may need to adjust their supplier portfolios. Diversifying suppliers reduces dependency risk and improves resilience. These decisions should be based on performance data to ensure continuity of supply while minimizing waste. Contracts are powerful tools for managing sourcing risks, including quality and waste-related clauses, as well as performance-based incentives, encourages suppliers to improve. Flexibility clauses allow rapid adjustments when conditions change, aligning incentives across the supply chain. Adaptive procurement strategies rely on continuous monitoring and flexibility. By adjusting sourcing locations, volumes, or specifications in response to new information, companies reduce exposure to shocks and support more sustainable, waste-efficient operations. Processing performance provides valuable feedback to procurement. Yield losses, downtime, or quality failures often indicate sourcing issues. Establishing feedback loops between processing and procurement allows continuous adjustment and better alignment, reducing avoidable waste. Effective risk mitigation relies on continuous improvement. Monitoring, evaluation, and adjustment form a cycle that supports learning and incremental improvement. Over time, this approach strengthens resilience and embeds waste reduction into everyday procurement practices. Integrating procurement with waste monitoring systems improves accountability and responsiveness. Real-time data links waste outcomes directly to sourcing decisions, enabling faster corrective action and enhancing overall efficiency across the supply chain. Early warning indicators help procurement teams act before problems escalate. Trends in variability, delivery delays, or quality deviations can signal rising risk. Acting early prevents emergency sourcing and reduces the likelihood of waste-intensive disruptions. Monitoring data also supports scenario planning. By understanding how sourcing risks evolve, companies can prepare response strategies in advance. This preparedness reduces reaction time during disruptions and improves overall supply chain resilience. Procurement plays a key role in achieving sustainability goals. By monitoring sourcing performance and waste outcomes, companies ensure alignment with environmental objectives. Sustainable sourcing reduces long-term risk and supports compliance with regulatory expectations. Monitoring sourcing effectiveness is most effective when supported by strong communication across functions. Collaboration between procurement, production, and quality teams ensures shared understanding and coordinated responses, reducing siloed decision-making and improving control. Digital tools are key enablers of adaptive procurement. Real-time monitoring, dashboards, and automation reduce human error and improve responsiveness, allowing procurement teams to adjust sourcing strategies continuously as conditions evolve. Risk mitigation strategies should not be assumed effective indefinitely. Regular evaluation using waste and performance data ensures that measures continue to work as intended. Reviewing effectiveness supports learning and prevents complacency in procurement practices. Monitoring outcomes should feed directly into procurement policy updates. As risks evolve, policies must adapt to remain effective. Regular updates improve alignment with operational realities and support consistent, well-governed decision-making. Long-term resilience is built through continuous monitoring and adaptation. Learning from performance data strengthens supply chains over time. Waste reduction and resilience are closely linked as proactive management reduces the impact of shocks and disruptions. Effective monitoring transforms procurement from a reactive function into a strategic one. Data-driven insights support better decisions, reduce waste and inefficiencies, and enhance competitiveness, creating long-term value for food processing organizations. In conclusion, waste management and procurement are deeply interconnected. Monitoring enables early detection of sourcing risks, while data-driven adjustments reduce losses. Adaptive procurement strategies improve resilience, and continuous review supports sustainable performance across food processing systems. Thank you.